Hello everyone, my name is Leonard Spencer Oduor-Oluoch. I am a full stack web developer. I have developed several solutions for various organizations, including small medium enterprises. The things that I develop majorly include the back end part of the website and the front end part of the websites. So for the back end part of the websites, I always use Node.js, which comes with various resources like RESTful APIs, things to do with like sending of emails when you want to connect your emails to the backend, things to do with payment gateways like those of PayPal, those of Stripe, and those of M-Pesa. So those payment gateways and APIs, I connect them with the backend Node.js. Other things that I do under backend Node.js, including connecting to the database. The databases that are used include Apache, Kafka, MongoDB database, MySQL database, Oracle database, including other databases. The cloud platform for Node.js, for the backend Node.js that I always host include Docker, Render, and some others like Blue Ocean. Okay, so backend Node.js, I started doing backend Node.js back in 2023 is when I started doing backend Node.js. Then now when I come to the front end part, I do React. Okay, I do HTML, I do Tailwind CSS, and I do other frameworks like Figma designing, because Figma designing is also for the front end part. So I combine Figma designs to come up with good wireframes for wireframes that are actually going to improve the conversion rate of the website and the user experience of the website. So for the front end React part, what I do is that basically React deals with things to do with the state management and how to handle states and basically styling. So basically that is what React does, and also how to connect to your backend, which is connecting to your backend using frameworks like Axios and UseFetch, and other React tools like Lucid React for styling and other things. So I do React, I do Next.js, and I'm also a mobile app developer, which I'm using React Native to actually develop mobile apps actually. So I am a freelancer who is actually expendable in various areas and various domains that actually make me someone who is actually reliable, someone who can get employed, like someone who is good at the employment. So if you want to hire someone who has expertise in both front end and back end, someone who will not mess up the code, then I'm actually here because I have experience. I've developed several websites for clients, which actually are the blog websites that I was talking about. I've developed several blog websites for my clients, and actually they have been happy with it. Yeah, so if you want me to develop something for you, you can just hit me up on my YouTube channel or on my Upwork. There I will develop something that I think you will like. And other skills that I have, I'm actually good in terms of cooperating with actually people. I'm good in terms of actually delivering the project on time. I will make sure that the project that I've been given, I'm going to deliver it on the stipulated amount of time, and I'm not going to delay the project. So I'm disciplined, and I make sure that what the client wants is actually what the client gets actually. Other thing that I can say about myself is that I am someone who is actually hardworking. I am someone who believes that something can be done, and I am someone that will do what it takes to make sure that I actually meet my goals. Okay, so as a full stack developer, I employ very many tools that I've mentioned, not just Node.js and React, but other tools also like but other tools that are also there, but majorly I've majored on front-end React, HTML, CSS, Next.js, and Node.js. Other things that I do is Fast API and connecting to other third-party APIs and all those things. So that is me, Leonard Spencer, full stack developer. So hit me up if you want to know more about me. Thank you.